If you've seen previous GCP Essentials videos, you should now have a good sense of what GCP has to offer. It's time to get your feet wet and your hands dirty. And if you haven't, then consider checking out the series playlist. In this video, we'll talk about all the ways you can experience GCP with hands-on code labs, tutorials, online courses, and solutions, all at little or no cost. Before we talk about hands-on resources, let me remind you about the Google Cloud homepage at cloud.google.com. It all starts there. Product documentation lives there, for instance. And chances are you will spend some quality time there as you learn and research specific products and APIs. Make sure you check out the documentation quick starts. These 30-minute tutorials offer a step-by-step walk through some basic tasks such as creating a Linux VM, storing a file and sharing it, deploying a Docker container image, running a label detection on a photograph, or deploying an application on App Engine. You can also find interactive tutorials embedded right into the console. Select one of the dozen or so product tutorials and let the tutorial guide you step by step through the console user interface. If you're looking for self-paced hands-on experience, we have a lot in store for you. First, Google Codelabs are available at g.co/codelabs, and they have a very rich cloud section. There are more than 200 free labs covering the vast majority of GCP products. You can sort by category, duration, and publish dates. Each lab should only cost you $1 or $2, which can be covered by the $300 free trial credit. But do make sure to follow the Codelabs cleanup instructions to properly delete all resources that can incur cost. Second, there's Quick Labs. If you're planning for a certification or would like to take a series of related hands-on labs, also known as quests, then Quick Labs offers you a personalized platform to track your progress. Simply sign up for a free account, buy some credits, and start a quest. Each lab comes with a real but temporary GCP account and a project ID available for the duration of the lab. Note also that Quick Labs is the hands-on tool that Coursera uses to deliver its courses and specialization. Now, getting your hands on individual products and understanding their scope and features is great, but understanding how different products actually work together is also very useful, and this is where solutions come into play. These detailed technical articles often come with source code and are grouped into categories such as modernize infrastructure, migrate workloads, hybrid cloud, HPC, big data analytics, machine learning, IoT, continuous delivery, serverless, API management, etc. You can also browse by industry or vertical solutions such as retail, energy, financial services, gaming, and others. These solutions are all based on customer best practices and common use cases, and they come with detailed descriptions and code to make sure you can learn from others and jumpstart your GCP developments. As you can see, there is plenty of hands-on material that is available and waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Grab a tutorial, take a code lab, study a solution, and get those hands dirty. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and look forward to more GCP Essentials videos.